Ever wondered if there was a simpler way to get into the crypto market? A way that feels less like a complex trading terminal and more like your everyday banking app? We're all looking for that easy entry point, especially with the world of decentralized finance growing at a breakneck pace. But the truth is, the sheer number of exchanges, wallets, and protocols can be overwhelming. It can feel like you need a finance degree just to buy your first Bitcoin. So what if I told you there's a platform that's not just an exchange, but an all-in-one solution that combines a traditional bank account with a seamless crypto trading experience? That's where Bitwala comes in. It's more than just a crypto exchange, it's a regulated German bank account with integrated crypto trading. This unique combination solves a massive pain point for many newcomers, bridging the gap between fiat currency and crypto. Instead of transferring money to a separate exchange, waiting for confirmation, and then trading, Bitwala lets you do it all from one place. Your IBAN account is directly linked to your crypto wallet, making the entire process feel incredibly fluid. So, how do you get started on Bitwala? The first step is to set up your account. The process is straightforward and, because it's a regulated bank, it requires a standard identity verification. Once you're verified, you'll receive your own German IBAN account. This is the key that unlocks the whole experience. You can now transfer euros to this account just like you would to any other bank account. Now for the exciting part, trading. Once your euros are in your Bitwala account, you'll see the option to buy crypto. You can access a range of cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin and Ethereum. The interface is clean and intuitive. You simply select the crypto you want to buy, enter the amount of euros you want to spend, and Bitwala provides you with a real-time quote. It's transparent, simple, and avoids the complicated order books you find on most exchanges. You're not looking at buy and sell walls, you're simply executing a direct purchase. Beyond just buying, Bitwala also offers the ability to sell your crypto and have the funds instantly credited back to your IBAN account. This is where the platform truly shines. Need to cash out some of your gains? No need to deal with external exchanges and lengthy withdrawal processes. Just sell your crypto and the euros are right there in your bank account, ready for you to use or withdraw. For those of you looking to go a step further, Bitwala also offers a crypto-backed loan feature, allowing you to unlock liquidity from your crypto holdings without having to sell them. They also have an interest-bearing account, where you can earn a return on your crypto. This isn't just a place to trade, it's a platform for managing your digital assets in a holistic way, all under the security and regulation of a German bank. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.